Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my brand new Celestron AVX mount. I bought this about the same time I bought the Celestron Nexstar 8 SE from Amazon. I unboxed the 8 SE off camera, messed with it a bit, decided before I do the review on that I'd like to test the C8 optical tube with this mount. Big box with another box inside it. And inside that box, we have a number of smaller boxes. Let's see. Here's an owner's guide. I bet this is a tripod here. It's the longest box. Fall on my head. Yes, there's the tripod. Here's the spreader bar. It's supposed to be heavy. Not that heavy. Here's the spreader plate. Oh, also called the eyepiece tray. It's going to go in here. Put that over here. Packing. Ooh, inside the packing, a mount. I'm going to take that out. Oh, because it's pretty heavy. Got the mount, which is heavy. Get this wrapper on. It's going to go on here. There's some bolts that will go in here. They're not in here yet. It's going to go on like this, I believe. There we go. How much is this way? Not that heavy. I've been scared of this. The mount and the tripod weigh 35 pounds together. My CG4 weighs 24 pounds. It's hard to carry. I was afraid I was going to have to make multiple trips outside with this, but no, I can carry this in one trip. Hurts my back, but so did the CG4. What else we got in this box? Knobs. They go in here and there and yonder. And the counterweight bar goes on here. I can figure out the right way to turn it. There. There. That's looking okay. This is why I don't normally film unboxings. It's kind of messy. Here we have an empty box. But it feels like another empty box. No, it's not quite empty. Got packing and yeah, and the hand controller spot where you hang the hand controller. Picture this little end power cord. For some reason it has a automobile cigarette lighter head on it. I guess that's empty. I guess that's where they figure you'll get your power from. Oh, ow! This one's heavy. Ow! Oh, oh! I bet this is a counterweight. This feels like a counterweight. Oh yeah, here's the counterweight. I won't be using that. I've got lighter counterweights that match the weights of my OTAs. Anyway, once I get this thing all assembled and everything, I'll come back and give me my initial impressions. So until I see you again, happy trails.